Guardsman shot near White House. Suspect in custody as Capitol goes on alert.
A shooting just blocks from the White House has left National Guard soldiers critically wounded. Officials say a lone gunman opened fire on patrol, then attempted to flee. Law enforcement quickly intervened and arrested him. The scene, near Farragut West Metro Station, was immediately sealed off and the White House placed under lockdown. Authorities have called it a targeted attack, triggering a full federal investigation involving the FBI, Secret Service, and DC Police. Travel was briefly disrupted when the nearby Ronald Reagan Airport paused arrivals.
For more breaking updates like this, don't forget to like, share, and follow NewsBuzz UK.